most obvious example, Tesla. This rally since the election is one for the ages. It's a move that, in retrospect, everyone should have seen coming, right? I mean, why not? Elon Musk has been all in with the winner of the presidential election. The electric cars are doing much better than everyone else's. Full self-driving could be around the corner. But now let's look at what might have kept you out of the stock. If you go back in time to when we found out that Elon was a big-time Trump supporter, the media was filled with, how long will that last chatter? The president-elect is famously mercurial, while Elon Musk is obviously brilliant but equally arbitrary and capricious. The idea that these two could bond in any way before they clash seemed inevitable. Plus, electric vehicle sales, they were sinking everywhere. We saw adoption slow for all EVs, including Tesla, in the United States. The competition in China, it became cutthroat. Musk's Tesla is a relatively high-cost producer. Numbers, the estimates, they kept going lower. Plus, was this lawsuit about him getting his bonus where it wasn't clear that he'd stick around as CEO if he lost? Too easy to pivot to some other part of his empire. Now, of course, the reality turned out to be quite different, but it was easily missed by the numbers guys on Wall Street. First, the public is back into the stock market, bigger than ever. The public doesn't listen to Wall Street research. Many don't even know what it is. Others think it's worthless. The public knew one key thing that the analysts didn't. Musk was incredibly close to Trump, spent hundreds of millions to help them win. So as long as Trump won, Tesla was going to be a huge winner. You had to be on board. You had to believe. It was like a sports team. As it is, it turns out Tesla has more driving on self-data than Google-backed competitor Waymo, data that Trump will buy into maybe and crown Tesla the full self-driving winner versus the piecemeal city by city approach of Waymo. Maybe it gives them the whole interstate highway system. I don't know. It also helped that GM dropped out of the self-driving taxi business, making Musk view more of reality. Tesla's much more than just a vehicle company. It's a tech company on wheels. Of course, Tesla's up 86% for the year, with nearly all of that coming after the election, when we realized that not only is Musk tight with President-elect Trump, he's helping reform the government to Trump's liking, doing a lot of this, or he plans to. Once you get a CEO with that kind of political influence, it's easy for the faithful to imagine the unlimited possibilities, which means they're no longer constrained by the price-to-earnings multiple.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.